this is B. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing with you my Hobonichi haul, and I bought these items from two different places. So this side over here were purchased directly from Hobonichi, while on this side it's purchased from my local stationery shop here in Malaysia called Stickerific. We know what happened during September 1st, and I do hope Hobonichi resolves the problem so that any customers buying on the upcoming October sale are not going to be experiencing that situation. Looking back to what happened, I think it's a blessing in disguise for me personally, because the original plan was to buy everything from Hobonichi, everything else we get from Stickerific. But what happened instead is that me and my friends, we met up, we queued to the line, and we found out that all of the items that we actually need are available at Stickerific. And with Stickerific, they don't actually have to do this, but you know, Stickerific, they're extra. So what they actually did is they kind of did something similar to what Hobonichi does. So with Hobonichi, if you buy directly from them, you get like a free item together with the pen. With Stickerific, what they did is this. So every time you get like a new planner, you get a set of stickers, and then you also get like a free pen. So the pens that they were handing out during Hobonichi Day was a mild liner, and then there was also a cat calendar that they typically give out every month. Doesn't necessarily have to be like buying Hobonichi, but whenever you buy things from them, they usually hand out the cat calendar. And there's also a Hobonichi sticker. I'll just insert the photo because I've already sticked that out. So every item that you get, so it's like, for example, this one, I have the Hiroko Kubota, this one, this one, this one with the cat calendar and then the sticker. And then apart from that, they even went to create a stamp. So this is a Muji notebook that I typically use for stamping because the paper quality is nice. And what they actually did is this. They created a stamp that says Happy Hobonichi Day. So besides this, they also made this one. So if you buy from them, you can actually just use the stamps whether you buy from them, because usually it's just like at the side of the counter. But they actually made this. And then the other one, if you also buy other planners from them, it's this one. So I got my 2025 planner from Stickerific. And they also have other stamps as well. But primarily during that day, it was this one. So for the items that I got, so I have the Hiroko Kubota. I'm actually going to be using this as my commonplace. If you haven't seen how I do that, I'll link the card above or on the description box. And this is plainly for commonplace. And then on Hobonichi's website, there is actually a information you need to know about this one. Now, because this type of cover is using like a glossy paper, as you can see, you can still use a cover on cover. However, there is like a small note that says, we do not recommend using the clear cover for products that use glossy paper, PP coated, for the cover material. But it's up to you whether you want to put one or not. And I actually have place this in here and it's fine. So it's up to your decision. And then I have another clear cover here because this items right here, this is for my sister. So this is Liberty Fabrics, and I just got another clear cover for her, and I'm not gonna open this because it's for her, together with this one as well as this. And then as for me, I've got the clear cover and then these two items. And then the other one that I also got, this is a taut zip cover, and this is like a compact version, which is smaller to their typical zip covers that they offer. What I mean by that is when you open, you don't get that pockets thing and then extras on the side. It's just this ones and then these parts right here. And because I have this, I can actually fit this on the zip cover and then do it like that, and then it zips up fine. And I haven't seen anybody do it, but if you are somebody who is interested in getting this and this as a combo, I'll do it for you. So I can insert it here and then insert on the other side. And then every horn comes with this one, and you just have to be careful with this, which is standard whenever you have zip covers, and it zips up fine. But for this one, I actually would prefer to just have this like outside like this one, so I can still see the design. And then we move on to the items I got directly from Hobonichi. So this one is a staple, and I think the name of it is Dark Plod. So you can see there's a theme going on. And if you've been following me for a while, this is like my vibe. And for this model, so the back looks like this, and it has this thing right here, so that when you put it here at the back, you can just do that. And you can just leave that here. And then you've got this, and then this side right here is removable. And initially, I didn't really need this item, and then I messaged my friend Cheska and asked her like if this is gonna fit like the Raskog IKEA trolley one, because I can use that like as a catch-all, anything that's used frequently in there, and then things like on the go. So that's when I decided that, okay, after these items were released, before they phase out this particular design, I went ahead and bought it. And then for the other items, not everything in here is mine, but this one's mine, which is the Paddington handkerchief. And the design looks like this. So if you've been following me for a while, I do enjoy different designs of handkerchiefs. So initially this was sold out, but then when the website was okay, I saw it available, so I got it. And then these two items, I do have the black gingham. This one, I decided to get it late. I was planning to buy this initially from Stickerific, but if you follow me on Instagram, at the moment I'm doing a Bujo reset because I wasn't sure what planner I'm using. And then after figuring out what I really need, I just went with this one. This was sold out at that time, so I just went and purchased it together with these items. And to compare, so this is the Hiroko and this is the Black Gingham. So there is a bit of a size difference, just a little bit. And then fitting that one in here, obviously, because this is much smaller, it can just fit right into here. And then I believe this one is where you don't necessarily need to use a cover and cover for the horn, but for visual purposes, this is actually how it looks like if you do decide to put one. So there is that gap. Your other alternative is to get like the clear cover from Midori. They have one for their A6 size. You can try that one. But in terms of size difference, that's how it looks like. And because I purchased from Hobonichi, let's see what's the free. And it's this design. I don't know what are the other designs because I wasn't really particularly looking at Hobonichi directly, but this is the free one I got. And from the looks of it, it's just their regular grid notebook, the yellow one, and just the front cover is different and it's thinner. So if I will compare, so this is their regular notebook and this is the freebie. So in terms of thickness, that's how it looks like. And then for the other items are for me and my friends. And you've got that pen. I call these like Winnie the Pooh pen. And then I have this Komodo flat pen case. So this one is for my sister. This one is for me. And then these two are for my other friends. I'll just open this one since this is mine. I really like this zip pen case because I have seen pen cases like this from Midori. There's a different brand, I forgot the name. But what I like about this is that this will adjust, if you can see from the back, this will adapt for, let's say you use an A6 size. You can move these ones to adjust for your Hobonichi weeks, and the biggest size would be an A5. So it's really, they thought of something that was a bit limiting from other brands, so that's nice. And then from the inside, it's spacious. It looks like this, and then there's like two pockets kind of thing. And then the other one, so I also got the Fireside Chat Note. So this one comes with different like designs. This is grid, another one is blank, and then there's also ruled. So the inside looks like that. So if I compare it from this one in terms of the paper size, I don't know if you can see that, it's same size. And then I also got like two Paddington sticky tabs. This one's for my friend, this one's for me. And what I like about this sticky tabs is you don't get sticky tabs like this. If you look closer, it's mimicking some sort of an action, and it comes in different sizes. So when I saw that, when it was revealed, I wanted to get this. So luckily I did. So this one is from Yumi Kitagishi, and this is for my friend. So if I compare it from this one, like the tabs are tiny based from the product photo. So that's like in size comparison. So that's it. If you have any questions or anything at all, just comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.